Hey plant pals, it's Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's brief video is on some of the things I'm growing on what I call my experimental shelf. It's just random things that I try to grow in different containers and grow styles to see if I enjoy growing them. This is an orange hat and a self-watering little planter. And there's some of the roots down there. And there's a mighty mini tomato I've shown before. This right here was just a proof of concept. This is just an empty creatine bottle that I just stuck an AeroGarden plant sponge pod into. And it's growing a tomato. This right here, trying to grow an orange spice pepper plant. This is just a unsweetened, rhymes with war tux coffee container. Let's see if I can grow in that. This is a mason jar. I believe it's like a 32-ounce mason jar. And I'm growing some basil just for fun. Looks good. Here's a 64-ounce one that I'm growing a tomato in that. And another one I'm trying to grow a Fresno in, which it's looking weird, but we'll see what happens with that. Like I said, this is my experimental shelf. I do experiments. And this is a bottle of water, and it has a weak hydrogen peroxide solution. And I find that if you spray a bit of that into your root, on the roots of the plant every once in a while, they love it. Helps them thrive. Alright, this right here is a dollar store storage container. It's got nothing hooked up to it. It is just a storage container with a lid that I cut holes in, that I put AeroGarden style baskets and soil pods into, and I'm growing kale. And let me see, show my hand for size. There's a lot of kale, and there's no electricity. It's just a plant solution in a shoe storage bin, or whatever you want to call it, storage tub. As long as it's food grade safe, you can grow in it. You can grow food. And this right here, which is looking kind of cruddy, I need to clean it up again, but they're just my experiments. I am trying to grow some flowers in here. This was an old tree can hydroponic growing system that died on me. The pump died and the light died. And so I just disconnected the pump, disconnected the light, and I'm seeing if I can grow in it. It does have an air pump, an air from like a fish tank. That's, let me see if I can show it without knocking everything over. It has a air bubbler stone in it. You can't really see it because it's in the back, but yeah, there's an air stone back there, like you get on a fish tank. Here's this little pepper plant I'm trying to grow. It's got some flowers on it. Here is a Fresno chili pepper that I'm growing in a self-watering pot. It doesn't have soil. What is inside of it is cocoa coir, vermiculite, and perlite. And then I put hydroponic plant food solution in the bottom. And it's happy. It loves it. The reason why I'm covering it with foil is to not only reflect the light back on the underside of the plant, because this light's kind of weak, it's also to prevent fungus gnats. Every summer I get fungus gnats. They come from outside, they take over inside. Even though I don't have soil, they like any kind of moisture, and so I put the foil over the soil, in quotes, and that keeps them from even attempting to lay their eggs in that. This is another pepper plant. I have shown or will show that in the future. This is just a jar of water with a little bit of cinnamon and a drop of honey in it, and I'm trying to see if I can propagate some of these tomato plants. See if I can get some roots to come. And I just did that a day ago, so I'm not expecting anything yet. Here's 2 fish tank pumps that I'm pumping into different units. This right here is I splashed a bunch of diatomaceous earth on it, so it's dirty right now. Back when I was battling the fungus gnats, they're all gone now. But this unit right here attracts the fungus gnats, and with a fan that sucks them inside and it traps them on the sticky thing down there. Pretty cool. All right, so that's just a few things I'm growing right now for fun. These are all my summertime experiments. I usually cover the shelf completely with cracky jars growing things that I don't want to eat over the winter time, but in the summertime I'm just having fun. This kale is good. It's tasty. And I will show you a quick harvest that I got today. Alright, this is what I plucked out of my hydroponic gardens today. Got a couple jalapenos. Got one sad, kind of shrimpy Fresno. And some orange hat tomatoes. And a bunch of micro mini tomatoes. And some red fire chili peppers. So, it's kind of fun. Right here's one of my AeroGarden sprouts that's growing just for a bonus look. It's growing red romaine lettuce that I started on the 7th. And I'm already able to pluck off some leaves and have a snack. Alright. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.